31 years ago, Future Troubles, now known as Future Fambo, had a #1 hit on the RJR Top 40 chart with Kung Fu. Let's get the backstory behind that 1994 track in our FiWi Culture segment.
How did Kung Fu come about?
Well, you know, Kung Fu song come about by going to, I used to go to Mr. Cole's studio, that's Roof International. Then Jigsy King Tony Curtis used to be the man and President Brown and Shaggy Wonder. You understand? And then I rent a DVD cassette, not video, VRC, that's what I call it. And there was a guy who bodyguard a boss daughter, and the boss daughter take him to a party, but he never know if he dance. And she said she want to dance with him, but meanwhile she dance with him now, he might do this. And he come to me and say, "Rotted, you kiss me benefit." Now Kung Fu dance that. So I just come up with it, who this is one I knew for life Future Troubles and dancing Kung Fu. When I do it in a pussy girl, I do it in a go bam.
Dance all crew, for life Future Troubles and dancing Kung Fu. Man, I do it in a pussy girl, I do it in a crew.
I entered with on the talent show, because I couldn't used to have a talent show. Even Sugar Demus was on that show. Not for you know him as Merciless, you know. Leonard Barkley is a very good friend of mine, so. And RIP to him still, you know. And I won the contest, so I had to go and record the song now. So them time there, it was Thursday day time, where in book Gussie Clark and Exterminator used to work the same Thursday too. I know them have 3 studios around there. That song was recorded at Penthouse Studio. Well, I think it was the same Thursday, but that time Shocking Vibes didn't have a studio yet. So they used to record there too. So Jermaine was a big man them time there, from Penthouse. Dave Kelly was to work for him and stuff then. We record the IIO one, like recording that week, yeah. Next week Mighty Mike play it, done.
Kung Fu was produced by Courtney Cole for Roof International. So you say you had to enter a competition and you won.
Yes.
And that's how you got the opportunity to voice the song for Courtney.
Yeah, because that was part of the
prize.
The prize, right. So them time they would have win about 5,000. That's about 5,000, 1994, $5,000. I'm a billionaire, I'm a billionaire. Could have never name it off, man. Could have never drink it off.
When you heard Kung Fu on the radio for the first time, how did you feel?
But I'm excited, you know. I jump up like a kid just get a brand new bicycle, you know. I just full with joy, I'm just excited. I just kunomono.
How did your family and your friends react at the time?
No, them say rich, them say rich. Them time everybody just walk past the other, Warren! I say, why you there? Boy, you're rich! I say, why you say so here? Be here, bite the and play a song parade. They tell you a song play parade, you're rich. I don't like no way, your song play parade, suffer, you suffer.
When Kung Fu took off and went to #1 on the charts, how did that impact your life? How did it change your life?
Boy, I tell you, yo, it was a good feeling. And that's how my chip get licked, you know, when from a young youth. My chip get wet up the cause I'm so young, and then passport, I travel to New York, I got Miami, I got Barbados. We just excited and just, but at the time, we never do music business, we just had do music.
I do it in a party, girl, I do it in a crew. All Google massive dance Kung Fu. Ready gun massive dance Kung Fu.
So do you still perform Kung Fu in your sets, in performances?
No, I don't perform it.
Why not?
I just figure like say people don't want to hear it. Because the new brother people know. They don't want to hear Roger Wild out. Girl, I get wild out tonight.
This one, you all the massive dance all crew. Follow Future Troubles and dancing Kung Fu, man, I do it.
Alright, my side, we're at the close of this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas, ate a lot of good food, and be prepared to lose that weight in 2026. Speaking of 2026, Happy New Year when it comes. Then, I'm your host, Naldo Adi, signing out of Half a Tree. On behalf of the entire Pree Dis team, big up on yourself.